Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be shopping seafood. Join me. Hi guys, so I'm currently on my way to the markets, seafood markets based in Lagos. It's at Makoko seafood market around Yaba area, and as you can see I'm going well kitted with my nose mask because I heard there's a spike. We are all hearing that there's a spike in coronavirus. I go with my hand gloves and hand sanitizer because I can't you know. So guys, aside being a food vlogger here on YouTube, some of you may not know, I'm also a food vendor based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I've got some orders from clients who want seafood okra, and personally I also want to get some seafood. I've had turkey, beef, chicken all through the year, and I just want something different. So I thought I should, what's with the grammar? So guys, I thought I should film this video so you see the volume of fresh seafood you can get at this Makoko market. So stick around, I'll see you guys soon. Let's head out guys, see you in the market. Hi guys, hey guys, so I'm about going down, gearing up. I'm wearing my gloves. Stay safe. Going into the market now for my shop. Hey guys, from the signpost you can see it says welcome to the heartbeat of fresh food, fresh seafood in Lagos State. This market prides itself as the biggest and largest seafood market in Lagos State. Just so you know. Never go to a market to buy crabs and buy dead crabs. As you can see, I'm buying the crabs live. You have to check properly to be sure that these crabs that you want to purchase are not dead crabs. Buy them live, and if you want to clean them when you go home, fine. But me, to cut down the stress, the market people are ready to clean it for you, kill it and clean it in their own way, and when you go home you can still clean it to your satisfaction. Hey guys, in this market you can literally find all kinds of seafood, from oysters to lobsters to periwinkles to all sizes of shrimps, all sizes of prawns, even fresh fish like barracuda, tilapia and the likes. Guys, a point to note when coming to this market, you have to put on your bargaining art for real. Like guys, this was me pricing this particular size of prawn, and the price this woman kept saying was outrageous. But the good thing is that I got a really good bargain. So guys, if you know you'll be coming to this market, ooh, look at this fresh barracuda, tilapia. Well, the price for the barracuda, guys, I had to move, and I just took tilapia and went to my house. Hey guys, so this is part of what I made from the seafood I got from the market. And after I'd settled my clients, I cannot kill myself. I had to eat some. This life, I can't kill myself. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button and click the box to watch more videos. See you in my next video. Cheers guys.